Hello! Today, I will be showing how to make your own ringtone on iOS. And subscribe to Skating, I will pin him in the comments. Let's get started. So download this app Ringtone Maker Extra Audio. And also get GarageBand. Then pick your video.
I be popping bottles, sparkles and champagne.
Then click the eye and make ringtone and trim. Then trim it as you like, then click set ringtone.
I be popping bottles.
And like you should have to got at the beginning, click GarageBand. Now wait for it to load and click on it. You can trim it here too and listen to it. Name it. You can't name two things the same thing. But turn off this.
I be popping bottles.
Click the arrow and My Songs. After it loads, hold on it and click Share. Then Ringtone. Name your ringtone and export. Then use as and choose one. Then you can choose it on sounds and haptics.
VIP my section royalty.
You're done.
I be popping bottles.